So how to take off the serpentine belt on Scion Tc? I got 2011 Scion Tc. So before you do everything, anything, scope everything out. Make sure you write it down before you take off the belt. So I'm gonna write down the crank. Crank is right in the bottom, the crankshaft, and then I'm gonna write down the pulley up on top. Right next to it is the alternator, and then the water pump, and the bottom is the AC compressor. Make sure you write this thing down before you do anything. So the belt's gonna go under the pulley, up and over to alternator, and then under to the water pump, and then over to AC, and then boom. That's how it's supposed to be. Make sure you do that. So I'm using the 14mm wrench. Hook it up right there, right next to the alternator. There's a swivel in there. Okay, and then you put the bigger wrench, and then you push that thing down. You see that belt's popping up. You just gotta strip it off. That's all you gotta do. Strip it off, the belt.